Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Toman. It's now time for math, where we're going to learn about numbers and counting. Let's get started. What number do you see? Yes, this is the number 9. Let's make a 9 in the sky. The circle and the line. Can we practice counting to 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can we count backwards? Let's try it. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. All right, how many dots do you see on this dot cube? Move me over here. How many are here? That's right, there's 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, there are 9 dots on the dot cubes. Great job. Okay, boys and girls, here is one way you make a 9. You start at the black dot and you say make a loop and then a line. That's how we make a 9. Do make a loop, then a line. That's how we make a 9. And try it again. Make a loop, then a line. That's how we make a 9. All right, when you show 9 with your hands, you do 5 fingers up on one hand, so all 5 of those fingers, and then 4 on the other. So you only have 1 finger down, because 9 is 1 less than 10. So you have 5 fingers up on one, and 4 on the other. That's 9. All right, here's a way you can make 9 on dominoes. You would have 5 on one and 4 on the other. And let me show you what 9 looks like on a number line. Here's what 9 would look like on the number line. The whole top line is filled, which is 5, and 4 on the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is 1 empty box. That's what 9 looks like on the number line. When you would go and write the number 9 on the writing line, it would look something like this. You would always start on the skyline for the number 9. You would make a loop, then a line. That's how we make a 9. A little sloppy. Let me try it again. Make a loop, then a line. That's how we make a 9. Make a loop, then a line. That's how we make a 9. Okay. Let me get the... All right. So let's move backwards and let's review all the numbers that we have done so far. So there's make a loop, then a 9. That's how we make a 9. Let's go. Make an S, but don't be late. That's how we write an 8. Make an S, don't be late. That's how we make an 8. 7, across the sky, down from heaven. That's how we make a 7. Good. 6, down to a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. That's how we make a 6. 5 goes down, around, then add a hat. There's your 5. How about that? 4, down and over and down some more. That's how we write a 4. 3, around a tree, That's how we write a 3. 2. Around and back on a railroad track. That's how we write a 2, 2, 2. Last but not least, number 1. Just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write a 1. Very good job. So the next thing we're going to do is in your math folder here, we're going to take out 1 9 from your math folder there. Okay, when you do the 9, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write your name. Okay, so the first thing I would like you to do is write your name on the name box. Nice and neat. I love seeing your name written neatly. All right, it says, I can identify, write, and count to the number 9. So you're going to trace the 9 3 times. Make a loop, then a line. That's how we make a 9. Make a loop, then a line. That's how we make a 9. Make a loop, then a line. That's how we make a 9. Now you're going to write the number on your own. Make a loop, then a line. That's how we make a 9. Make a loop, then a line. That's how we make a 9. Make a loop, then a line. That's how we make a 9. And then you're going to go and circle all the 9s you can in the box here. That's an 8, 7, 6, so I'm not circling any of those. That's an 8. That's a 7. There's a 9. Up, there's a 9. And there's a 9. Now in this box here, they want you to make 9 dots. So you're going to fill all of them up, but this last dot here, that's 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. So you filled them all up, but this last dot here. Only one box is empty. All right, now you're going to show what 9 looks like with dominoes. I will put 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to go back up and you're going to color in your 9s, nice and neat. Take your time. You just do your best work. Make sure you don't color outside the 9. You stay inside and try to color all of it. Don't leave any parts white in the 9. Okay, and then you're going to just color in the last one when you're finished. Do a blue here. Again, whatever colors you choose, it's your paper. You do not have to do these colors. You can make it nice and colorful. All right, boys and girls, when you're finished with your amazing work, you're going to take a picture of it and send it to Mrs. Choman. Great job, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.